In the following verse of the Holy Quran, Allah, the Exalted, warns Muslims to avoid negative assumptions about others, as they can lead to sins, such as backbiting, slandering and lying. Chapter 49 Al-Hujurat, verse 12.
O you who have believed, avoid much negative assumption. Indeed, some assumption is sin.
It is important to act on this advice, especially in this day and age of social media. A single negative assumption can easily spread to others and cause problems for the people involved. It is always best to interpret things in a positive way as long there is room to do so. Only when the evidence is overwhelming and clear can a negative assumption be accepted, but even then it is best to mind one's business and avoid discussing it. This will help one to make their Islam excellent. This has been advised in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 3976. If the assumption is connected to a person, such as one's dependents, then they should address the issue in a kind way in order to find out the real truth instead of jumping to conclusions, as this often causes further problems. In addition, Muslims should always protect their fellow Muslims by avoiding situations where negative assumptions can be made about them. This is an excellent characteristic to adopt, as one protects others from potential sins. It is hoped that the one who protects others from sins will be protected by Allah, the Exalted, from sins and their evil consequences in both worlds.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.